So now I will tell you how you can find out the dot product of two vectors. So for example, dot I, I dot I. So magnitude of second I and angle between them. What is vector I? Vector I is along the x-axis. This vector I is also along the x-axis. So the angle between I cap and I cap is 0 because both these vectors are parallel to each other. So what I can write, I dot I is equals to magnitude of I is 1, magnitude of I is 1 and the angle between these two is 0 degree, cos 0. We know that angle of value of cos 0 is 1, so it becomes 1. So I dot I is equals to 1. This is how we can calculate I dot I. I dot I is equal to 1. Similarly, J dot J is equals to 1 and K dot K is equals to 1. Okay. And if I am going to calculate I dot J, then it will become I mod J mod cos theta. Now I is along x-axis and J is along y-axis. So angle between x-axis and y-axis is 90 degree. 90 degree. Okay. And value of cos 90 is 0. I dot J is equals to 1. Magnitude of I is 1. Magnitude of J is 1. And cos 90. Cos 90 is 0. It means I dot J is equals to 0. And J dot K is also 0. I dot K is also 0. So there is a conclusion. What is that conclusion? If two unit vectors are same, I, J and K, then answer is 1. If for different, I dot J, J dot K and I dot K is equal to 0. So this is all about how we can calculate the dot product. So we are going to do this question. Please look into this. A dot B. 2 I dot I. 2 into 1, 2. For different vectors, we will get the answer 0. So no need to multiply for that. So 2 into 1, 2. Minus 3 into 2, 6. Plus 4 for the 16. This will be 16 minus 6, 10 plus 2, 12. Then A dot B is equals to 12. Okay. So this is the method where we can find out the value of scalar product, dot product. When we will apply this? We will apply this when we are going to find out a scalar quantity. Okay, like work done. Thank you.